Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a rectangle 3D in Photoshop. First of all, create a new layer, select shape, right click, use rectangle. Click and drag it. Use any rectangle and use size. Press go to 3D. Example, use this or map. Okay. Then press any key and create a new layer. Select pen tool, right click, use pen tool, shape and use color. I use example, use this color or different color as your wish. I use this color. Then click corner and hold back, hold space, then move, hold space and again create a new layer. Apply the same way. It says different color or black. Apply the same way and change different color. Highlighted color. Now we can see this make a rectangle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.